Hello everyone, I miss you so bad. How are you? I'm good. How's the weather today? It's cloudy today. Did you make a pizza at home? Yes, I did. How was it? It was delicious. And are you hungry? Yes, I am. I want to go to cafe, but I can't. So today, I'm gonna make some scones. I love Starbucks chocolate chunk scones, and you can make it easily at home. And today, I'll give you some questions in this video. So let's give it a try. What do we need? We need some pancake mix. Can you say this number in English? 115 or 150? Good. 150. We need some milk. We need some oil. We need some chocolate. Do you like chocolate? Do you like chocolate? Yes, I do. Or no, I don't. And we need one more thing. Ta-da! What's this? What's this? It's a plastic bag. It's a plastic bag. Not vinyl bag. Plastic bag. Put all things in this plastic bag. If you don't like chocolate, you can put anything like green tea powder, sliced almond, or blueberries. And mixed. When the dough becomes a lump, take it out and roll it out by hand. What shape is it? What shape is it? It's a square. It's a triangle. Good. It's a circle. It's a circle. And let's cut into 6 pieces. Okay, now put it in the oven. Can you say this number in English? Good. 15. 15. So now let's bake 15 minutes. Now I'll give you some more questions. What's this? What's this? Good. It's a knife. It's a knife. Now what's this? What's this? It's a whisk. It's a whisk. What's this? What's this? It's a spatula. Spatula. It's done. Smells good. Look at this. Ta-da! Yay, we did it! So how was it? It was fun, isn't it? And did you answer all the questions? You did a good job! So thank you for watching this video. I hope to see you soon. Bye-bye!